You want to tell them what?
It's on.
What is going on, everybody? Captain the Amco here. So we got a big problem here. Not only is this thing on its last leg, the carburetor's come off, what, 2 or 3 times today?
More.
And we had
at least 6.
At least 6 times, and each time it got harder and harder to get it started. So we figured maybe that the motor's pretty much shot. I mean, we've had this mower for what, 10 years? But now it runs really fast because there was like a little gold flap that busted off, which my uncle said it might affect how it runs. That's why it's running wide open, because that piece is gone.
That's where the chokehold.
That's part of it, and it also messes with the idle.
Oh.
That's why it's running wide open.
All right.
Here we go.
Start. Yay, that's off again.
You hear how the mower's popping? The motor's about...
Fudge!
Alright, thanks for watching. Sorry about my mom's language. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Before I go, I just want to remind you all that Jesus loves you, and have a wonderful day.